When you leave your old job, what should you do with your old 401k? You have two choices: leave it there or roll it over. Sure, you could cash it out, but that will lead to a 10% penalty if you're younger than age 55. You're not going to do that. Most retirement plans, such as 401ks, have limited investment choices and charge fees. If you're happy with the investment choices and the fees are reasonable, then it's okay to stay. However, if you prefer more control, consider rolling over your account to an IRA. With an IRA, you pick your favorite financial institution, one with reasonable fees and good investment choices. There are two types of rollovers, direct and indirect. With direct, you never touch the money. It goes directly from one financial institution to the other. This is the recommended route. For an indirect rollover, the money goes to you first. Then you have 60 days to deposit it into a retirement account. If you delay, you'll get charged a 10% penalty. Because the IRS doesn't know for sure that you're actually going to deposit that money, they withhold at least 20% for taxes. So when you do deposit that money, in less than 60 days, you need to replace that missing 20%. Hope you have some cash on hand. Both types of rollovers are reported to the IRS, but with direct rollovers, no taxes are withheld. You're good. Ready to do a rollover? First, pick your favorite financial institution and open an IRA account. The easiest rollover is one where you set up an IRA at the same financial institution that oversees your old 401k or similar retirement plan. If you are transferring both traditional and Roth money, then you'll need to open two accounts, a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA. Next, call up the financial institution of your 401k and follow their instructions. There may be a bit of paperwork involved, but both firms are very familiar with this process. Your plan's financial institution will wire money to your IRA financial institution. Or they might send a check in the mail. Yes, many still do that. No, you don't need to roll over your entire account. Just a portion will do if you wish. If you're starting a new job, you have several choices. You may have the option of rolling your old retirement plan into your new retirement plan. Alternatively, you might be allowed to roll over your IRA back into a new retirement plan. Or you can simply keep your IRA under your control while starting a new retirement plan at your new employer. What if you have a different type of retirement plan at your new employer? Most types of plans can be rolled over to either an IRA or a different retirement plan. For example, if you had a 401k at your old job, but a 403b at your new job, you could roll it over. Assuming your new plan allows it, the only notable restriction is that Roth money needs to stay within either a Roth account or a Roth IRA. Likewise, traditional money needs to stay within a traditional account. Good luck! What other videos on personal finance would you like to see? Leave your suggestions in the comments below.